And we're back to learning JavaScript. We'll get back to our example from the last tutorial, but this time we want to play around with the counter a little bit. For now we print out all of the information in the array. And when we change, for example, I to equals I plus 2. I'll refresh. Now we are only getting every second entry in our array, so blue would be I equals 0, red would be I equals 2, yellow would be I equals 4, and white would be I equals 6. So the way our loop is set up, it now iterates as usual, but the counter gets always increased or incremented by 2 instead of just 1 with every iteration, and therefore it omits every second entry in our colors array. We can also change the starting position to 1, and now we get green, orange and black. So the counter starts with a value of 1. Second iteration it will have 3, therefore we'll get orange. Third iteration it'll be 5, therefore we get black. By adjusting the counter you can see we can adjust our outcome. And a short way of writing this is just I plus equals and then whatever value you want to add. I'll make that 0. And now I add 3 every time. So we would start with blue, then we would get to index 3, which is orange, and then index 6, which is white. And this is how I can adjust the counter in a for loop in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.